Koch and Company started in 1989. We've rapidly grown because of our management structure, the team members we have, employees we have that have allowed us to change our product mix. That's allowed us to continue to grow and gain more market share. We are looking for what everybody's looking for. The employee who wants to come to work, wants to do what's right for the company, the same thing everybody's looking for. In order to entice people, we have a really good benefits plan, great health insurance, ownership, believes in good benefits for our people.
I was looking to change the benefit package that I had at a big corporate company versus Koch and Company. It wasn't different. Work-life balance, being 10 minutes away from my kids, my own home. There's so many benefits to being in a small company in your own town that you know people, and you do those things, you can get to your kids' events and not worry about you're missing something.
They really do treat you like family. But need something, all you have to do is ask. Make sure that you do everything you can in your power and strive to do better. They will reward you.
Really enjoy working here. Really enjoy the atmosphere, the people. Management really is good. Also the 401k, and it's just a great place to work for.